In today's video, I want to show you how to add questions to your scheduling link. I love to ask some pre-call questions to get an idea who is the person that is going to show up on the call with me. So let me show you how. My name is Rianna. If you're new to my channel, I'm here to help small business owners get set up with simple systems so they can save time, attract more clients, and get their business going. So if that's what you're in for, click on subscribe, and I love to see you in one of my other videos. But first, let's dive into the calendar feature of adding questions. So once in the calendar section, you've set up a call, which is very easy by creating a new event, and you can watch one of my other videos that's explaining that as well. You're gonna go to one of your funnel pages, and I have here one created. It's called scheduling page. And what you do, you can add this calendar section through one of them. You can just drag it to where you want to have it. So I have it here right now. And step one is going to ask about all the basic information. We click on it like this. But then if we click on form, this is the cool part. Now we can add a question to it. So we can say their last name is not needed, for example. We want their first name, their email, phone number. I usually don't ask for neither as well. And then we can add a question. That can be a question for more information. It can be, depending on what your call is about, it could be anything related to your call so you can prepare better. I hope that makes sense. I wanted to keep this video very short because I know you have limited time. But if you need any more information about anything else in Systeme.io, you have a specific question, drop them in the comments below. I love recording videos for my audience so that I know it's actually helpful. Hope to see you in the next video.